Hi, my name's Mike Gentry, and I'm a new car sales specialist at Atchinson Ford. I have been in the automotive industry for upwards of 27 years in sales and 7 years in manufacturing. I love it here at Atchinson Ford. It's a warm and inviting environment and very disarming as soon as you walk through the door, which makes for a great feel and vibe for anybody, including myself, which I'd like to believe transcends to you, the customer. In the summertime, I like to boat, spend time out on the lake with my family, my kids, my girlfriend. I like to ride Harleys. The wintertime, a lot of house cleaning done. I'm not much of a snowmobiler or a outdoor person in the wintertime. I'd like to believe I set myself apart in sales by being personable and having a genuine and sincere care for you and what your needs are, and giving you an opportunity to have a good time doing something that might otherwise be uncomfortable or hard to do. I believe that my job is for me to be here to make it fun for you, make it a great experience, make it something pleasurable that you look forward to.
What's something a prospective customer should know about you?
You don't have to be on the defensive when you're buying a car. It makes it easier for everybody involved and gives you a great advantage when you're comfortable and you feel like you're in a place where you can trust someone, get the experience that you deserve. Well, it's not going to be the first time, Luke, that you or anybody has made me feel this way, but these conversations definitely put some perspective into how long I've been around and how old I am. Thanks, Luke, for that. It's nice, yeah. Nice job.